I don't know about you, but I love lemons. I love lemon pies, love lemon cookies. You put lemons in anything and I'm a happy guy. And you know, I also love to grow lemons. Look at my little lemon trees, aren't they great? This is a pair of Myers lemons, which is one of my favorite lemons to cook with. It's important because they're about to make a transition. In my zone, I live in zone 7. It gets cold in the winter and lemon trees don't like it cold. So that's why here in the fall, I need to think about moving them inside. Now I keep mine in a little greenhouse, but I could actually keep them in the house as long as they got plenty of light. A south-facing window where they're not directly in the sun, just pulled back just a little bit, is a good place to grow them. Now, what I'm going to do is fertilize these for the last time for this growing season. Because you see, you really don't want them growing or producing new foliage during the winter months. What will happen is they'll form flower buds. The flowers open in the winter. By early spring, you begin to see the tiny little lemons, and then they ripen through the growing season. And just look at these gorgeous lemons. The spikes are really handy. What I like to do is just place them around the tree like this. Take about 4 of these spikes, and all I have to do is shove them along the edge or the drip line of this plant into the soil. From the garden home, I'm Alan Smith.